we're going to pinch that so that don't happen again. Pinch, kind of turn a little bit so it'll lock in place. And we'll pinch that one. And we'll just kind of roll it right up to the spot where we need it. Right there. Okay, now we've made our offset, we're going to sweat the pipe together. And like we've done before, to keep the wood from getting burned, we're going to slip something in here, kind of keep the flames off. Now let's put our piece of metal in place so that we don't burn any of the wood up here. Always trying to aim the fire in the opposite direction of anything that you might be able to burn and catch on fire, such as the wood here. Now let that sit for a minute, and then we'll solder our other one so we can use that piece of metal to bring it over to this side here. Okay, now we're ready to solder our other 90 in place. Kind of push that up in there so. Now, this may push it down, but we still have room to push it up because down at this end we haven't soldered those pipes together yet. And that's the reason I left that unsoldered, to give me the opportunity to make adjustments. Now let's solder this piece up over here. See how the solder is easily sucked in there? It's just following the heat. Where you put the heat, that's where the solder will go. Alright, let's let that cool down, and then we'll start back in the middle part.